What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it is looking like Verasity, it's chopping sideways over the past week or so, isn't it? After essentially coming down, making more lower lows in this continuous bear trend that we have seen ever since we hit the all-time high, really. You can see here, ever since we hit this, really, we've just been making lower lows and lower highs, chopping our way to the downside throughout this bear market that we have started to see. And realistically, looking like we are continuing down to that level that we did specify back here. You can obviously see we had a key swing high level here that we could have had as support. It did function as support shortly, but then we obviously lost it. We came down and now looking to that next swing low, which is here at around that 1/5 of a cent level, as we said before, looking like a key level of support that does need to be tested. Obviously coming down further than that to around that 1.5 cent level would be a very, very good level of support as well if we did lose this level here, because really there's not much structure there to validate this. In reality is that although we do expect there to be a reaction in this area, but we're probably definitely going to see a level at around that 1.5 of a cent area. This is a very, very key level of support, I would say. And realistically, if we come down to this, we're probably going to start to see a good amount of buying pressure coming into the market. I mean, what an incredible buy that would be if Verasity even went back to its all-time high. You'd be looking at a very, very nice gain indeed, wouldn't you, from around there all the way up to that all-time high, 55x, 5,500%. So obviously a very, very big gain indeed. We are still bullish on Verasity for the long term. I'm considering adding more to this position, to be honest. But we can see, obviously, as the bear market has continued here, we are starting to see a little bit of a decrease in volume and interest as time goes on. And you can see, obviously, in the local area, nothing's really changed to suggest that we are getting any kind of reversal here, really. You can see we've come down, resistance, support, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Started to chop sideways for a little while here, but came down, lost the low, tested as resistance, come down again, and going sideways again now. On the hourly time frame, we've had a little tiny bit of relief for the altcoin market and going sideways over the past week or so, but in reality we're probably going to continue to see more bearish pressure as the altcoin market does continue to shed value, and a lot of people converting their altcoins into Bitcoin over the past few months. So really for Verasity here, we'd probably expect, if it comes back into this area here, we'd probably be looking to put in a bit of a short like this with a stop loss just above that previous area here, because we are looking most likely like we're just going to come up and then come back down and continue to retest some of these previous levels of structure that do need to be hit probably before we get a bounce. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. We appreciate you all very much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.